These room transformation videos are getting millions of views right now. A trashed, messy room slowly turns into a clean, modern space and people can't stop watching. I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Head over to our website and click GPT Library in the sidebar. In the search bar at the top, type Room Glow Up, then click Start Chat. Once the ChatGPT window opens, click Start. The Room Glow Up GPT gives you a quick menu. You pick a room, a style, who lives there, and one special detail. You can type "Surprise me" and it instantly builds a full concept for you. Or you can choose your own options. We'll type our picks right into the chat. Bedroom, modern, big guy eating pizza, LED lights. Send it. The GPT builds the whole plan. You get 4 image prompts: a messy before, a clear out, a renovation, and a final premium room. Each prompt references the one before it, so the room stays exactly the same. Below that, you get matching video prompts that turn those images into a locked camera time-lapse. Now switch over to OpenArt. Go to the Image tab and click Create Image. Open the Model menu and choose Nano Banana 2. Open the output settings, choose 9:16 and set the resolution to 2K. Turn Auto Polish off. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt, the messy before. Paste it into OpenArt and click Generate. That's your starting room. For the next image, copy the clear out prompt. Drag your first image into the reference box, paste the prompt, and generate. Do the same for the renovation and the final room. Each time you copy the next prompt, drop the previous image into the reference box, and generate. That's what keeps every stage in the same room. I built the whole workflow with Nano Banana 2, but I also tried it with GPT Image 2. To do that, open the Model menu and switch to GPT Image 2. Set the quality to high, keep it at 9:16 and 2K, paste your prompt, and generate. Honestly, GPT Image 2 looked way better to me, so that's the one I'd go with. Once your images are ready, it's time for the videos. In OpenArt, switch to the Video tab and open Frame to Video. Make sure you're on the Start and End Frame tab. Open the Model menu and choose VO 3.1. Set the mode to Fast, turn on audio, and set the output to 9:16, 1080p, and 8 seconds. Add your first image as the start frame and your second image as the end frame. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it into the description box, and click Generate. Then just repeat it for each clip. Copy the next video prompt, set the start and end frames to the next pair of images, paste, and generate. Work through all 4 clips the same way, and the room goes from a total mess to a clean, modern space. For the final clip, I used Kling 3.0, and this is how it turned out.
No way! This is actually my room? This feels like a professional gaming studio. I've dreamed about something like this for years.
We just opened our own school and Discord community. Come join us. You'll get the tools, the prompts, and the full tutorials inside. The links are in the description, so jump in.